Hello everyone, welcome to day 27 of 50 days NEET challenge. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very interesting phenomena in genetics which is called as codominance. In codominance, we take an example of ABO blood grouping system. As we know that in ABO blood grouping system, there are 4 blood groups, A, B, AB and O. This A, B and AB are basically nothing but the glycoprotein or antigens which are present on the surface of RBC. O basically represents that there is no glycoprotein or antigen. Now this glycoprotein or antigen is coded by 3 different alleles. Therefore, ABO blood groupism is also an example of multiple allelism where one gene has more than 2 alleles. Now, what are the 3 alleles here that we are going to see? One is IA, one is IB, and the third one is small I. Out of these 3 alleles, capital IA and IB are dominant alleles, whereas small I is recessive allele. Now, as we know that we humans are diploid organisms, that is 2n, so at any given time, we cannot inherit more than 2 alleles out of these 3. So now, what can be the different combinations in these 3 alleles? Let's see. We can inherit IA. Since we know that IA both are dominant, we'll get a blood group A. If we get IA small I, we know that IA is dominant, small I is recessive, so blood group again would be A. If we get IB, then the blood group would be B, and IB small I will also result in blood group B. Now, when we see this case where IA and IB both are inherited, then in this case the blood group would be AB. Why? Because I told you that IA and IB both are dominant alleles, so both will express their glycoprotein on the surface of RBC. This is called as codominance, that is both alleles expressing equally. And the last case is small I, that is, this is homozygous recessive condition where there would be no glycoprotein on the surface of RBC and the blood group would be O. Fine. So as you can see here, there are 6 different genotypes possible here and 4 different phenotypes possible in case of codominance.